Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2. Roblox Error Code 2 starts with clearing the local cache because most of the time, this error is caused by corrupted temporary files. So press the Windows key plus R, type this, hit OK, open the temp folder, find the Roblox folder inside it, and delete it to reset the cache data. Once that's done, restart Roblox and try launching again. And if the issue still persists, check whether Roblox servers are actually down by searching "Is Roblox down" in your browser and opening the official status page. Because if the servers are experiencing issues on their end, there's nothing you can really fix locally, and you just need to wait until service is restored. And you can also try restarting your PC after clearing the cache to make sure all background Roblox processes are fully reset. And if nothing changes, reinstalling Roblox often fixes deeper installation related errors that simple cache clearing can't resolve. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.